Well, rise and shine.
Well, everyone. We're together again.
Of course it is, Scoop. But the only problem is, Gus the Bus is out there in the night. So, we all need to be careful if we're going out tonight. That monster, that horrifying monster that Choo-Choo Charles is scared of, we all need to be careful. Gus the Bus, where I'm on about here, is going to be a very tough challenge to deal with here. Basically a more challenging Charles, if you know what I mean. The entire city of Manchester was under attack by Gus. Everything is safe over there, eh?
Oh, I can't wait. What about you, Brum?
Yes, Lily, I can't wait either. Oh, I agree with that.